A former Marine is fighting back tonight, trying to defend her honor. Alexandra Melnick is battling claims she deceived the public about her missing service dog, Kai. She says her ex-husband is the one who should answer to criminal charges. We first told you about Melnick's search and reunion with her missing German Shepherd last year. NBC 7's Omari Fleming just talked to her about these new claims now. Omari?
Well, Catherine, this case will ultimately be decided in the courts, but Alexandra Melnick says claims that she knew where her missing service dog was for 9 months are just utterly ridiculous. She says it doesn't make any sense. She says what does make sense is the fact that her ex-husband now facing felony charges in connection with that missing service dog.
You know, I went through hell for 9 months. Like, I can't explain to anyone how horrible that was.
Remembering the 9-month-long search for her once missing service dog, Kai, still painful for former Marine Alexandra Melnick. Adding to that anguish, she's now locked in a battle over the German Shepherd with her ex-husband Pablo Cortez, who's also a Marine. Cortez facing felony theft charges in connection with Kai's disappearance, but his attorney claims Melnick duped the public into believing she didn't know where her dog was.
This case is a bad divorce. I mean, these two got divorced and they both wanted the dog, and unfortunately my client had the dog.
Everything's documented for it, so I am very curious to see how he said that he got Kai. They're grasping for straws. They're saying anything they can to get anyone riled up or just to save face, save his military career.
We first told you about Kai's disappearance from Melnick's North County yard last year. Online, she launched a Facebook page and GoFundMe page to search for him. 9 months later, Melnick says with the help of social media and organizations she won't identify, she tracked Kai down at her in-laws' house in Aubrey, Texas.
I asked him, do you have Kai? And he said no.
During the time he was missing?
During the time he was missing.
How did the dog end up going from San Diego to Texas?
At this point, we're not prepared to talk about. I believe it may come up at the preliminary hearing.
What attorney Alex Ozols did show us were copies of a service dog card with Cortez's name on it and credit card statements showing where he'd paid for dog supplies. Melnick says the real proof will come in court.
Wait until court. Like, there's so much evidence that I can't even begin to say.
And Cortez's attorney says that Melnick and his client both purchased Kai together, though this divorce document that he shows us does not list the dog on it. Now, Melnick says she purchased Kai before the two were married. We're going to find out much more about this case when the preliminary hearing starts up next month. Reporting live downtown at the Hall of Justice, Omari Fleming, NBC 7.